Hi there, my name is Brittany Flandrick, and I am doing the video prompt for impact of GMOs. So the question was, does labeling foods that contain GMOs give consumers enough information to make good environmental choices? I believe it does. It would make a difference because when making a genetically modified plant, it basically creates like super weeds, and so then they have to do a bunch of mixes to eliminate these weeds around these genetically modified plants, and then it's actually really bad for just the local ecosystem with all the chemicals. And then if we think about like all the bugs, like bugs that we need in the environment, because there are lots of really good bugs that do good things for the environment. So I believe that labeling foods that contain GMOs is a good idea and will give consumers enough information to make good environmental choices. I also think that having like information like they do now and with reliable sources about GMOs is also important. Even just like a little slide on the, like a paper slide on the side of the grocery aisle, because not a lot of people understand either. So thank you.